Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosi's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be making some simple breakfast casserole, okay, filled with potatoes, eggs, vegetables, and then some salami. Okay, so I will share with you how I achieved this delicious breakfast meal. So these are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to prep my potatoes. So I'm using the normal white potatoes and then sweet potatoes. I'll add salt, black pepper, paprika, and some oil. Then mix everything together and then air fry or pan fry, or you can also bake until it's done. Okay, you can use any of the potatoes, but I want the two, that's why I mixed it. So with mine, I'm going to air fry for just 10 minutes. So whilst I wait for the potatoes to be done, I'll go ahead and cook my ground turkey. So I added about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and then added the ground turkey. Stir until it's halfway done and then go ahead and add your spices. I will be listing all the spices that I used in this recipe in the description box. So please check it out and have all the correct ingredients. And with this recipe, you can use ground sausage, you can use ground chicken, ground beef, or ground pork. Anything that you prefer. So when all the spices are well mixed with the ground turkey, I'll go ahead and add green chilies, red bell pepper, some diced white onion, and then also some scallions. Okay, you can choose to add any vegetables that you want. Okay, so mix everything for a few seconds and then turn off the heat. Because it doesn't take too long to cook ground beef or ground turkey, anything ground is easy to cook. So at this point, I checked on the potatoes and it's ready as well. So I'll go ahead and then also mix the egg. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to crack 6 eggs and then add salt, black pepper, and then some chili powder. You can take out the chili if you're going to serve this to your kids and they don't like too much chili. It's pretty fine. So once everything goes inside the mixing bowl, go ahead and give it a good mix. But if you mix and the salt is not enough for you, please feel free to add until your desired taste. So the next thing is to get your baking dish and then put your potatoes and the ground turkey that you made earlier. Mix everything together and then pour in the egg mixture. Yes, and then I'm going to top up with some salami. You can top up with bacon or hot dogs, anything that you want to top up with. Yes, but mine was salami and then it tastes great, and I know if you use any other thing it will also come out nice. Please take note, if you're going to use ground beef or ground pork, I will advise don't add oil when you're cooking it because it's oily already. Okay, else after baking your casserole it will be too oily. Also, you can top up with sausage, bacon, whatever that you want. Okay, but I preferred salami, so I went with salami. I know if you use any other thing it will still taste great and amazing. So preheat your oven to 250 degrees and then bake this for 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes the casserole is ready. Oh my goodness, it smells so good and then looks so delicious. Yes, and I know it tastes delicious as well. Look at how beautiful it came out. I was really amazed and then I like the result. Okay, it smells so good. I'm just going to dive into it and then serve myself some peas. Okay, it's very loaded and full. If you have one slice, I think you'll be full until lunchtime. This is a great recipe and a healthy one as well. So if you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, and please stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. Okay, so take care, enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.